Hello dear students, heartily welcome to History Online class. I am Mr. Gururaj, lecturer in Anjuman Pre-University College, Bhatkal. Today onwards I am sending very small videos regarding different topics of the second year PUC history. In first chapter number 1, Introduction. In this chapter, total 5 questions for 5 marks. Total 5 questions are there for 5 marks. First question, explain briefly impact of geography on Indian history. Second question, explain the special features of Indian history. Third question, unity in diversity is the unique feature of Indian history. Explain. Fourth one, write a note on the contributions of foreign writers in reconstructing the history of India. Fifth one, write a note on importance of the archaeological sources in reconstructing the history of India. Out of 5 questions, according to model question paper, first 3 questions most repeated. First 3 questions, impact of geography, features of India, unity in diversity. First 3 questions most repeated questions. And one more point, this chapter touch with other topics. When you are a perfect of all topics in the first chapter, afterwards easily you can understanding the remaining chapters. Now we are starting the first chapter, introduction points. Before starting the 5 marks questions, we are learning introduction in this topic. The first one, the history of Indian subcontinent at times includes in ancient time the present nations, namely Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, China and Sri Lanka. Next according to Vishnu Purana in Mahabharata, okay, one shloka is there, Uttaram Yatsya Mudrasya Dakshinam Himadraschaiva Dakshinam Varsham Tadbharatam Namaha Bharati Yatra Santati. Its meaning in English, the country that lies north of the oceans and south of the snowy mountains called Bharata. Once again, the country that lies north of the oceans and south of the snowy mountains is called Bharata, Bharatakanda, Bharatawarsha. This subcontinent is called by different names such as Bharatakanda, Bharatawarsha, Bharata, Jambudvipa, Hindustan and India. Especially northern parts are called Aryavarta, the land of Aryans. The southern part was called Dakshinapata, the land in south. Next, Bharatakanda, Bharatawarsha, Bharata are named after Bharata, son of Dushyanta and Shakuntala. Next, the term India is derived from Greek language. In Greek word, Indos, which stands for Sindhu, the most important river of subcontinent. Next, Persians called the river Sindhu as Hindu and the land in Hindustan. Okay, these are the important introduction of the first chapter. Next class, I am starting 5 marks important questions regarding first chapter. Thank you very much.